guys, a long time no see. I know it has been a hot minute since I posted a video. I think it's been about 3 months, and don't worry, I'm gonna be filming a video about where I've been, but mostly just school stuff and kind of getting the hang of things. So yes, I ordered this from Cloth and Paper last week sometime after I saw a little setup video. I'll link her stuff down below of her Cloth and Paper order, and I fell in love and I wanted to start using my agenda again since I will be on the go, going back and forth to the library, that kind of stuff, and just wanted to try something new. So I placed a order with Cloth and Paper, and then I placed an order with this insert company. I'll link all of the information down below and all the products that I am showing today. I don't have those inserts yet because they are coming from overseas. I think from England or Australia, can't remember. And it should be here sometime this week or next week. So when I get those in, I will post an updated video. So let's quit the chit-chatting and I'll show you what I got from Cloth and Paper, and I'm so excited. So the box is so luxurious. It comes with quite a few things, so let's get that out. So everything comes wrapped up just like this, and there is luxury and simplicity. I'm a firm believer in that. I love just a simple, chic setup in my agenda and my home. Then it just shows you her habit trackers and a little thank you. And then my receipt, which I'm not going to show you because it has my address on it. But it does come wrapped up very nicely in a lot of tissue paper, so it is protected. I love Cloth and Paper. Let's just begin with, her stuff is always so pretty. It always comes very packaged. So that is a huge plus in the planner community. It's not just thrown in a box, and when you get it, it's messed up, anything like that. It's always wrapped very, very nicely. She wraps it in a sticker. It's like you just ordered this very, very luxury thing from a high end. So I'm gonna move all that. So the first thing I picked up are these habit tracker sticky notes. It is habit tracker sticky memos, and it's by the brand Bic. And I'm not sure how many comes in each little pack, but let's take it out of the packaging because I'm putting these right in my planner. So let's see. Yep, it's one big sticky note. I thought it may be 2 and broken up, so I will have to break it up to put in my planner just because I don't want all of that. But I'm going to put it like on the inside of my planner. I'm just going to put it like right there. So I love these. I wanted these just to keep it so I could do make bed, gym, water, vitamins, that kind of stuff. I wanted to keep up with that. Then I got this Cloth and Paper dot paper. I don't think you can see. Let's see. And if y'all hear noise, it is my dog trying to get in my office, which she is not allowed while I'm filming because she barks at everything. So I'm not sure if you can see because of the lighting, but it's just little bitty dot pieces of paper, super cute. I wanted it just to take notes. Okay, so that was the only other inserts I ordered from Cloth and Paper because I do have some already. So the next thing I picked up, I just took it out of the plastic wrap so it wouldn't be as loud, but are these page marker sticky notes. So that is what it means by page marker. And I like this. It says today's schedule and then just some lines. I plan on putting this on my inserts that I got. I did get a week on 2 pages layout, so we'll show you that. I think they're very pretty. I love her sticky notes. This isn't the first time I've ordered sticky notes from Cloth and Paper. I'll link all their sticky notes down below so they're easy to find, but I've gotten blush ones. They don't, they're not like the Target dollar spot. They don't come off very like flimsy. They are nice. I think they're all made out of Bic. This one doesn't say, but I'm assuming so since that's what that says. So I got those. Then I ordered 2 sets of dividers. I ordered the CEO dividers, I believe they're called. There's Girl Gang one and then CEO. And the CEO one just says schedule, list, products, financing, or finances, goals/ideas, and myths. So let me take these out real fast and we can show you a better look. Okay, so here they are. I'm not sure if you can see. Let me see if I can get a white piece of paper. Very pretty gold foil on all of them. They come out perfectly. And they're really nice quality. They're like this hard plastic, so they do not tear up real easily in the agenda. I have ordered paper dividers from Cloth and Paper, and I just laminated them. They don't last as long as the plastic ones, but I have the plastic ones in my desk agenda, and I just knew I would like that. So I got these, and to go along with them, I got the clear with gold foil in the monthly. I wanted months so I could separate each week and month in my planner. I like that way. I feel more organized that way. So let me take these out of the wrapper. So here they are. They are quite a few. I think I'm probably only gonna do half. So probably, let's see, since I don't need January, I'll just, and now it's July, so perfect. So I'm gonna do half at a time, that way it doesn't bulk up too much of my planner. So I'll probably put them in just like that. So let's go ahead and put them in my planner. So the inserts I have in this desk agenda, or not desk agenda, sorry, I'm so used to talking about my desk agenda. In my MM planner, which is a personal, I have dividers from Minted Sugar, I believe, and I'll link it down below. And then I just have this clear little flyleaf from Filofax that I keep, what are those called? Stamps. So I keep those, and then I just have these cute little stickers that I put in another open envelope that I got from Etsy. I'm gonna take out all of these dividers and put in all of these. Let's see, we'll put schedule. And then these don't go in schedule, so I'll just probably put an insert that I ordered in that. So, but for now, we'll just put some blank paper. And then list, go in there. Project. And I will probably put my passwords under projects, because that is probably where I will put in YouTube information. We have finances, which I typically don't keep my finances in this planner, or I wasn't planning on to, but I might just add just some generic stuff in under finances. All my finances stay in my desk agenda, which is at home, that because I don't need to carry all that around, but I might add just a few bill tracker ones just in case I need it on the go. Then goals can go under here. And this Filofax paper, which that one is a cream one that needs to come out. I don't like the cream ones as much. Okay, sorry, I had to remove these cream pages. Yeah, and then miscellaneous. And then I'm gonna add in my Cloth and Paper dot grid. I'm probably gonna put that back under projects, because that is what I like to keep that on. There's that. They fit very nicely. And now I'm just gonna add in these monthly dividers. Since I don't have my inserts yet, I have nothing to put in them, but I'm just gonna add them to the back. And I've had questions in the past, how do I keep my rings from not spreading? And that is because I use the little prongs at the end. Don't do your planner like this. It will start to separate over time. But since I don't have that much in it, and there. I'll probably take out more paper eventually, but for now. And then I want to get something cute to go right here in the front, because that's no fun right there. And right now I just have some of these dot grid. It's just like the paper, and these actually came from Cloth and Paper. And then I have at the very end, where's it at that I need to, well, I don't know what I did with it. Oh, here it is. I like to keep this, I don't know how much you can see because it is on camera, but it is just this clear little fly leaf that I do like to keep at the very, very back of my agenda. That way when I'm closing it, if it's like this, I can just bring it up, and there we go. But here is how big it is right now. This pen I get questions on. It is just from, I think it's from Staples. I got it in their store, but if I can find them, I will link them down below, as long as everything else. And then this little cheetah print clip is from Ollie Clips. But that is all I have in here, and I do have my planner hot stamped. I have every planner hot stamped, I think, except my desk agenda, which I probably will do at some point because I love my agendas, and I actually want this in another print, but that's for a different day. So yes, this is my cloth and paper order, and I hope you liked it. If you want to see a new setup of my desk agenda, just comment down below or give this video a big thumbs up. And yes, I'm so excited to be back. I'm so excited to get back in the swing of things since I've gotten out of routine and that good stuff since I've graduated. Bye guys.